Hi, my name is Roland. I'm the rental property investment Zen master. I'm also the property manager for PMI JCM Realty Group, where we manage properties from an asset management perspective. Today, what we're going to be talking about are what you need to know before filing taxes in 2023. And so every year you have to file your taxes and you have to make sure that you are accounting for all of the income that you generated over the course of the year. And so what I want to do today is talk to the rental property owners, the real estate investors, and anyone that deals in the real estate space and give you some tips on what you need to know, what you need to do so that you have a good tax filing seasons. And so the first thing that I want to tell you is that you need to work with an experienced tax professional. And taxes are it's kind of like the legal profession, right? So you can have a lawyer that specializes in one area as opposed to another. And it's the very same thing with taxes. There are some tax professionals that are focused on real estate and they're very good at that. And there are some tax professionals that focus on other areas. If you're going to be a property manager or a real estate owner, then you need to deal with a CPA that works with and understands the rules, the regulations, and the laws related to taxes and real estate. And so make sure that you get someone that understands the space that you are operating in, because it's very different than the other spaces that are out there that are related to other businesses. So make sure you have someone that's good and make sure you someone that understands your area. Next is, get your documentation in order. The very first thing that a tax preparer is going to ask you is for your documentation, right? So whether it's 1099, W-2s, whatever documentation you have, you need to make sure you bring those, right? And some examples of those documentations is ledgers and reports from operational expenses and earnings, complete depictions of each property in your portfolio, records of tenant transactions, interactions, including lease agreements and evictions, and also documentation of financing or loans initiated for 2022. So all those things are going to be important, and you're going to need to provide that to your tax preparer. Then you want to make sure that you itemize your eligible deductions, and your tax preparer will help you get an understanding of what deductions that you have available to you, right? And so some of those things may be your mortgage interest payments, your property taxes paid, your insurance premiums and claims, your property maintenance and repairs, your vendor and contractor expenses, software and digital programs, depreciation values of your assets, energy efficient upgrades eligible for tax credits, and also municipal tax credits for disadvantaged parties or neighborhoods. So those things can be depreciated or deductions that would be beneficial to you. Next, you want to have your income reporting, right? And so that can consist of direct rent payments, advance rent payments, fees associated with early lease cancellation, traditional and PEP deposits, services received in lieu of cash payments, and tenant paid expenses. And last but not least, you need to make sure you understand your various taxes, your federal taxes, your state income taxes, your real estate taxes, and your property taxes. So all those things are important for you to know and understand. And so to be honest with you, now is a great time to enact a change and improve the efficiencies with your rental property investment. And if you're looking to get operational in 2022, you spot gaps and issues, and you want to make sure that you bring your rental property management partner in so that they can assist you move this forward. Contact PMI JCM Realty Group because we'll help streamline operations, your earnings potential, and expense management. We can help. I mean, reality is what we want to do as a property management company is help um, rental property owners be better and get more return on their investment. We actually have a free webinar that we're going to be doing on how to streamline your rental portfolio for maximum growth. It's a webinar that you don't want to miss. We also have a Facebook group that we would like you to join. You can connect with other real estate investors that can help you answer questions that you have about taxes or any other components that you have with your rental property. And last but not least, if you have any specific questions you want to talk to me with directly, then you can contact me at rcharles@PMIJCM Realty Group. You can also You can also call me at 813-333-9617. And last but not least, you can go to my website at pmijcmrealty.com. Thank you.